TIBCO EBX Online Training. What is TIBCO EBX and how does it enable Master Data Management (MDM)? TIBCO EBX, formerly known as Orchestra Networks EBX, is a master data management (MDM) solution that provides a unified platform for managing, governing, and sharing all types of data assets, including master data, reference data, metadata, and hierarchy data. It serves as a centralized data hub, enabling organizations to maintain high-quality, consistent, and govern data across different systems. How TIBCO EBX enables MDM? Unified Data Model supports all types of data, master, reference, metadata, and transactional, in a single repository. Provides a flexible, schema-free model that can adapt to evolving business needs. Data governance and stewardship includes workflow-driven approvals, versioning, and auditing to enforce governance. Role-based access control, RBAC, ensures data security and compliance. Data quality and standardization offers data validation rules, cleansing, deduplication, and enrichment. Ensures data consistency across the enterprise by preventing errors and inconsistencies. Hierarchical and relationship management manages complex data relationships and hierarchies, example product catalogs, organizational structures. Provides visualization tools for relationship management. Workflow and business process automation. Built-in workflows allow businesses to define data management processes. Automates data approvals, corrections, and validation steps. Integration and interoperability connects with various enterprise applications via APIs, REST, SOAP, and data connectors. Supports integration with ERP, CRM, BI, and data lakes. Scalability and performance designed to handle large volumes of data efficiently. Supports multi-domain MDM, meaning it can manage multiple data domains, example customer, product, supplier, financial data, in one platform. What is TIBCO EBX and how does it enable Master Data Management (MDM)? TIBCO EBX, formerly known as Orchestra Networks EBX, is a master data management (MDM) solution that provides a unified platform for managing, governing, and sharing all types of data assets, including master data, reference data, metadata, and hierarchy data. It serves as a centralized data hub, enabling organizations to maintain high-quality, consistent, and govern data across different systems. How TIBCO EBX enables MDM? Unified Data Model supports all types of data, master, reference, metadata, and transactional, in a single repository. Provides a flexible, schema-free model that can adapt to evolving business needs. Data governance and stewardship includes workflow-driven approvals, versioning, and auditing to enforce governance. Role-based access control, RBAC, ensures data security and compliance. Data quality and standardization offers data validation rules, cleansing, deduplication, and enrichment. Ensures data consistency across the enterprise by preventing errors and inconsistencies. Hierarchical and relationship management manages complex data relationships and hierarchies, example product catalogs, Organizational structures. Provides visualization tools for relationship management. Workflow and business process automation. Built-in workflows allow businesses to define data management processes. Automates data approvals, corrections, and validation steps. Integration and interoperability. Connects with various enterprise applications via APIs, REST, SOAP, and data connectors. Supports integration with ERP, CRM, BI, and data lakes. Scalability and performance. Designed to handle large volumes of data efficiently. Supports multi-domain MDM, meaning it can manage multiple data domains, example customer, product, supplier, financial data, in one platform. What are the key data governance features in TIBCO EBX? TIBCO EBX is a powerful master data management (MDM) solution that provides robust data governance capabilities to ensure data quality, consistency, and compliance. Here are the key data governance features in TIBCO EBX. 1. Data modeling and metadata management. Provides a flexible data model to define and manage complex data structures. Supports metadata management, enabling users to track data lineage and relationships. 2. Data quality and validation. Includes built-in data validation rules to enforce data integrity. Supports data cleansing, deduplication, and enrichment processes. 3. Role-based access control, RBAC. Offers granular security controls to restrict access based on user roles and permissions. Ensures that only authorized users can view, edit, or manage data. 4. Workflow and data stewardship. Provides configurable workflows for data approval, validation, and review processes. Supports data stewardship functionalities to enable data governance teams to manage and correct data issues. 5. Data lineage and audit trails. Maintains a complete history of data changes, including who made the change and when. Ensures regulatory compliance with detailed audit logs. 6. Collaboration and governance framework. Enables cross-functional teams to collaborate on data governance policies. Provides a centralized governance framework for managing business rules and compliance requirements. 7. Versioning and data lifecycle management. Supports data versioning to track historical changes and manage multiple data states. Enables lifecycle management to define data retention and archival policies. 8. Integration and interoperability. Seamlessly integrates with other enterprise applications, data lakes, and cloud platforms. Supports APIs, ETL tools, and real-time data synchronization. 9. Regulatory compliance and policy enforcement. Helps organizations comply with data regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. Enforces data governance policies to ensure data consistency and reliability. How to configure workflows and user roles in TIBCO EBX. 1. Configuring user roles in TIBCO EBX. TIBCO EBX uses role-based access control, RBAC, to define access to data, workflows, and UI components. Step 1. Access Role Management. Log into EBX as an administrator. Navigate to Administration, User Management, Roles. Click Create a new role. Step 2. Assign permissions. Define general permissions: read, write, delete, create. Assign data permissions for specific datasets. Set workflow permissions to allow users to interact with specific processes. Step 3. Assign users to roles. Navigate to users in the administration panel. Assign users to roles based on their responsibilities. Step 4. Configure security policies. Set up authentication policies, such as single sign-on, SSO. Configure access control policies to restrict unauthorized access. 2. Configuring workflows in TIBCO EBX. Workflows in EBX automate business processes like data validation, approval flows, and notifications. Step 1. Enable the workflow engine. Go to Administration Modules. Ensure that the workflow add-on is enabled. Step 2. Create a new workflow. Navigate to Administration Workflows. Click Create a new workflow. Define workflow metadata, name, description. Step 3. Design the workflow process. Use the Workflow Modeler, graphical editor, to define start and end nodes, task nodes, manual approval, automated steps, decision nodes, conditional branching, transitions between tasks. What are the best practices for data integration in TIBCO EBX? TIBCO EBX, formerly Orchestra Networks EBX, is a powerful master data management (MDM) solution that supports data integration across multiple systems. To ensure efficient and reliable data integration in TIBCO EBX, consider the following best practices. 1. Data modeling best practices. Define a clear data model. Establish a well-structured data model that aligns with business requirements. Use hierarchical and relational structures. Leverage EBX's ability to manage hierarchical, relational, and complex data types. Ensure data consistency. Define strong validation rules, constraints, and referential integrity. 2. Data governance and quality. Implement data governance policies. Use EBX's governance capabilities to maintain data integrity. Define data stewardship processes. Assign roles for data stewardship to manage quality and compliance. Automate data validation. Use business rules, constraints, and workflows to enforce data quality checks. 3. Integration strategies. Use REST and SOAP APIs. EBX provides robust REST and SOAP web services for seamless data exchange. Leverage connectors. Utilize EBX's built-in connectors for integrating with databases, ERPs, CRMs, and third-party applications. Batch versus real-time integration. Choose batch processing for large data loads and real-time integration for transactional updates. 4. Performance optimization. Optimize data loading processes. Use bulk import and incremental loading to improve performance. Index and partition large datasets. Use indexing and partitioning strategies to enhance query performance. Monitor and tune system performance. Regularly review logs, optimize queries, and adjust system configurations. 5. Security and compliance. Role-based access control. RBAC restrict access based on user roles to ensure data security. Encryption and secure APIs encrypt sensitive data and enforce HTTPS for secure API communication. Audit trails enable audit logging to track data changes and ensure compliance with regulations. 6. Workflow automation. Define business workflows, automate data integration processes using EBX workflow capabilities. Integrate with BPM systems, connect with business process management, BPM, tools for advanced automation. Use event-driven triggers, set up triggers for data updates and notifications. 7. Scalability and future-proofing. Plan for scalability. Design the integration architecture to handle increasing data volumes. Use cloud and hybrid integration approaches. Support hybrid deployments for flexibility. Regular maintenance and updates. Keep EBX updated with the latest patches and enhancements. How to implement security and compliance in TIBCO EBX. Implementing security and compliance in TIBCO EBX requires a combination of access control, authentication, data governance, audit logging, and regulatory compliance measures. Below are key steps and best practices. 1. Authentication and access control. Integration with SSO and LDAP. Configure single sign-on, SSO, and integrate with LDAP Active Directory to manage user authentication. Role-based access control. RBAC assign roles to users based on their responsibilities, ensuring least privilege access. Fine-grained permissions control access at different levels, dataset, table, field, by defining read, write, delete permissions. 2. Data security. Encryption. Enable encryption for data at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information. Data masking. Implement dynamic data masking to hide sensitive data from unauthorized users. Field-level security. Restrict visibility of specific fields based on user roles. 3. Audit logging and monitoring. Audit trails enable audit logging to track user activities, changes, and system access. Logging integration, forward logs to CM, security information and event management, systems for threat detection. Change tracking, maintain a history of data modifications, approvals, and workflow actions. 4. Compliance and regulatory adherence. GDPR, HIPAA, SOX compliance, ensure data management practices align with regulations such as GDPR, implement data retention policies and provide data subject access rights. HIPAA, protect healthcare data with strict access control and encryption. SOX, maintain a detailed audit trail for financial transactions. Data lineage and provenance, track data sources, transformations, and movements for compliance audits. 5. Workflow and approval process. Approval workflows. Implement multi-step approval workflows for data modifications. Segregation of duties. SOD ensure critical operations require separate approvals to prevent fraud. Automatic notifications. Configure alerts for sensitive data changes or compliance violations. 6. Security hardening and best practices. Patch management. Regularly update TIBCO EBX to patch security vulnerabilities. API security. Secure API endpoints using OAuth 2.0 and API Gateway. Backup and disaster recovery. Implement automated backups and restore policies to protect against data loss. How to perform data quality management and validation in TIBCO EBX. Performing data quality management and validation in TIBCO EBX involves a combination of built-in features, configurable rules, and automation mechanisms. Below are the key steps. 1. Define data quality rules. Use constraints and validation rules in EBX to enforce data integrity. Define rules for uniqueness, example, no duplicate records. Mandatory fields, example, no null values. Data type validation, example, correct format for dates, emails. Referential integrity, example, valid foreign key references. 2. Use data models for validation. Configure data models using EBX's built-in data modeling UI. Implement type constraints, enumerations, and regular expressions to validate field formats. 3. Apply workflows for data governance. Set up approval workflows to validate data before it becomes available. Configure review and escalation processes for handling incorrect or incomplete data. 4. Leverage built-in data validation services. Use Validation API in TIBCO EBX to integrate with external systems. Enable automatic data profiling to detect anomalies and outliers. 5. Monitor and clean data regularly. Schedule data quality checks to detect issues proactively. Utilize data cleansing tools to correct or remove invalid records. 6. Perform data matching and deduplication. Configure data matching rules for merging duplicate records. Use fuzzy matching techniques to handle variations in data entries. 7. Enable data lineage and auditing. Track data provenance to maintain data integrity. Use audit logs to monitor data changes and enforce compliance. 8. Automate data quality reports. Generate dashboards and reports for data quality KPIs. Integrate alerts and notifications to flag data issues in real time. Why choose ProExcellency for TIBCO EBX online training? ProExcellency is a training provider that offers a variety of online courses, including those in data management and business intelligence. While specific details about their TIBCO EBX online training are not readily available, here are some general factors to consider when evaluating ProExcellency for your training needs. 1. Course offerings. ProExcellency provides a range of courses in areas such as SAP, Salesforce, and data visualization tools like Tableau. Their diverse portfolio suggests a broad expertise in enterprise solutions. ProExcellency.com. 2. Contact information. For detailed information about their TIBCO EBX training, you can reach out to ProExcellency directly. Email info@proexcellency.com. Phone +9 191482511978 +9190089068009. Landline 08031508687. Given your location in Bangalore, Karnataka, India, ProExcellency's contact options may be convenient for you. 3. Alternative training options. If you're exploring other avenues for TIBCO EBX training, consider the following. TIBCO's official training. TIBCO offers self-paced e-learning and instructor-led courses tailored to various professional needs. These courses are designed to provide in-depth knowledge and are recognized industry-wide. TIBCO.com. Radiant Tech Solutions. They offer a course titled TIBCO EBX Registered Trademark Symbol Software Developer, which covers various functions of TIBCO EBX, including modules, computed fields, and workflow script tasks. This course is suitable for developers and architects with experience in Java and XML. RadiantaTechLearning.com. When choosing a training provider, consider factors such as course content, delivery format, instructor expertise, and how well the training aligns with your specific learning objectives. It's advisable to contact the providers directly to gather detailed information and determine the best fit for your needs. Thank you.